In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to revise and edit listing on eBay account. If you need to make changes to an item you've already started, eBay makes it pretty simple to go back into your draft and update the details before publishing it. This is useful if you want to fix the title, adjust the price, update shipping information, or add better photos and descriptions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to do. To get started, sign into your eBay account and look toward the top of the page. From there, click on Sell. This takes you to the seller area, where you can manage the items you're working on and access your listings, drafts, and other selling tools. If you sell regularly, this section is where you'll do most of your listing management. Once you're in the selling section, look for your drafts and click on Resume Draft. This opens the listing you previously saved but didn't finish publishing yet. Drafts are especially helpful when you need to pause in the middle of creating a listing and come back later, or when you want to review everything one more time before making the item live. After you open the draft, you can edit the draft listing directly. This is the stage where you review all of the listing details and make any necessary revisions. Take your time here and carefully check each section. Make sure the item title is clear and specific, the category is correct, and the item condition accurately matches what you're selling. You can also update the description so buyers understand exactly what they're getting. If needed, review your pricing and confirm that your shipping settings are correct. It's also a good idea to check your photos and make sure they clearly show the product. Strong images and accurate details can make a big difference in how your listing performs. Before you finish, scan the page one more time for any errors or outdated information. Even small edits can help improve buyer confidence and reduce the chance of confusion later. Once your changes are complete, you can continue with the listing process from there. That's all it takes to revise and edit a listing draft on eBay. Just go to Sell, open Resume Draft, and then make your changes inside the draft listing. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you need to update a saved listing before it's posted.